Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issues of failed opening on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Instagram app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Instagram, and you can click here in this page. You will enter. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.